The Fall of Yugoslavia. A multi-ethnic federation. Yugoslavia, a diverse nation forged from the ashes of World War I, was a unique experiment in multiculturalism. It united 6 republics: Bosnia and Herzegovina, Croatia, Macedonia, Montenegro, Serbia, and Slovenia. This federation, a mosaic of cultures, religions, and languages, was a testament to the potential of unity in diversity. The birth of a nation. In the aftermath of the Great War, the Kingdom of Serbs, Croats, and Slovenes emerged. This new nation, later renamed Yugoslavia, aimed to unite the South Slavic peoples under a single banner. The interwar period was marked by political instability and economic hardship, as the country struggled to find its identity. The Socialist Era. Following World War II, Yugoslavia embraced socialism under the leadership of Josip Broz Tito. The country broke away from the Soviet bloc and pursued a non-aligned foreign policy. This period saw significant economic and social progress, as Yugoslavia developed into a prosperous and modern nation. The seeds of discontent. However, beneath the surface, tensions were simmering. Ethnic and nationalist sentiments, fueled by historical grievances and economic disparities, began to erode the fragile unity of the federation. The death of Tito in 1980 marked the beginning of the end for Yugoslavia. The Balkan Wars. The early 1990s witnessed a series of brutal wars as the Yugoslav republics declared independence. Slovenia and Croatia were the first to secede, followed by Bosnia and Herzegovina. The conflict in Bosnia was particularly horrific, marked by ethnic cleansing and genocide. A legacy of violence. The wars in the former Yugoslavia left a lasting scar on the region. Hundreds of thousands of people were killed, and millions were displaced. The conflict also highlighted the dangers of nationalism and the fragility of peace. NATO Intervention. In 1999, NATO intervened in the Kosovo War to protect Albanian Kosovars from Serbian forces. The bombing campaign, while controversial, ultimately forced Serbia to withdraw from Kosovo. A divided legacy. Yugoslavia's legacy is complex and contradictory. It was a nation that once aspired to greatness, but ultimately failed to overcome its deep-seated divisions. The breakup of Yugoslavia remains a cautionary tale about the dangers of nationalism and the importance of tolerance and understanding.